Hello. So this manual I got kind of like a brochure or something that they come with the ColecoVision console. Is way old, and in here you can see that it say that the arcade quality system, and it's in bilingual English and French. You can say here that you have so when you probably get the ColecoVision system, and they come with the Donkey Kong cartridge. It's a Donkey Kong cartridge include. Press the Bluetooth manual here. Introducing ColecoVision, say state-of-the-art game system. And when you get the system, it comes with the two game controller, or you can press and also the knob and the keypad to enter in. Let's see the system. So the ColecoVision looks like this. And then you put the cartridge on top here. This is what the cartridge looks like. And this one for Donkey Kong. So this game Donkey Kong is by Nintendo. Arcade game cartridge. And include with the ColecoVision. So what they say is that Captain Mario, girlfriend, and have been taken to the top of the Steel Fortress, and we want to get Mario to the top to save him. Another game here is Space Fury. So this is Space Fury by Sega. And what they say is this fierce space battle game put you in control of a powerful equipped spaceship and must defend itself against a invading alien formation. After the first encounter, improve your defense with additional weapons. This is like a snake game here, Venture. And actually, they say that this my company called XCD, the control key is of an expedition to claim the treasure that's hidden in the dungeon. Each treasure is in a chamber protected by a named dangerous monster. The more he ventures, the more he gains. This game is called Sidetrack. And let's try that here. Say you must direct the locomotive down the track and pick up the passenger along the way. In doing so, you must avoid a deadly runaway train that demolishes your locomotive. Can you stay on track and score? Okay. Mousetrap. This is an unusual maze game that puts you in control of a mouse who itches with and try to avoid the ravenous cat. At times, the mouse can transform into a dog and go after the cat. Open or close a group of doors to change the maze and pull the cat. This game is Spectre. You must direct an armored car through tangled maze, negotiate sharp turns at high speed, but with a versatile variety of tanks, people merge of attack and destroy your car. Ripcore. Okay. The skydiving game put you in charge of a parachute. You got time to jump and along the free fall as long as you dare. Then pose Ripcore and get him land exactly on one of the targets. But watch out, the sky is full of dangerous helicopters. This game here called Ladybug. You direct a ladybug to the maze, as you see here. And eating dogs, you must avoid running through the poisonous skull and counter the evil insect which want to devour her, revolving the permitted to change the maze and toward her pursuit. Interesting. Cosmic Adventure. So you can see that shoot 'em up, yes. This futurist air and sea battle game is fought between the ship you control and advanced alien civilization. You go to destroy the enemy installation while avoid their relentless return fire. Right? This one is Zaxxon. I remember this game. You go to, like, you have to go over the water and go around like this. This three-dimensional space battle game put you in control of a futuristic spaceship. The ship drive down on enemy plane installation. The ship must avoid serious war, devastation for threat, and the enemy fight to survive score. Okay, this game is called Carnival, and they say a blaze away at a clay pipe, dancing beer and sling duck. By watch out, those duck come to life when they reach the end of the gallery and avenge themselves by eating from your limited supply of ammunition. This game is turbo, so one of those racing game here. Say use the steering wheel accelerate foot pedal and gear shift expansion mode to number 2 to drive to victory. Negotiate, twist and curve, pass other car, avoid spin out, oil, slick and other hazard to make it into the winner's circle. Baseball. In this realistic 2-player sports game, authentic baseball action that you fingertip. Get up to the bat and use all your major league skill. The scoreboard keep track of all the statistics. And this, when it could, is football. In this action-packed sports game, you call the player, set the formation. The offense can call a play, sweep left to the rope for the run, run, draw play. The offense can place the quarterback, tackle, and intercept the being in the field. Skiing. So basically see the course through the skier goggle, and he must race down the snow-covered slope, negotiate the sharp curve with a precision, and avoid a treacherous mongo. A tree and other obstacles go to traverse the course and reach the finish the record time. This one is a horse racing. Let's see here, they are off and running. Watch the ball as the odds change. A horse start out at the gate. The jockey, they join jockey for the position of the straightaway. Which horse will win? Race show for the next race. The computer changes the entry, and if you won, even the track condition is the different race every time. This one is the blackjack / poker. In this highly staked game, Ken Houston, the famous blackjack player, give the tip and share you his casino skill. Fresh stack is open. The dealer dot out the card. Will you hit or stand pat? Then try your skill. Will you like, let's just read that. So try your skill at poker, name your game, do you bluff, or do you hold the winning hand? This one's called Tunnel Draw. This is maybe Dungeon Dragon or something. Your expedition involved. In the entrance into the dungeon, make up of the hallway and chamber, but the underground populated by monsters. Choose to fight or to run. Select a weapon, cast magic spell, or use your wit to defeat the monster and claim the treasure for 1 to 4 players. Chess challenge. So I'm going to want to play the chess against the computer. This game uses the World Chess programmed by Fidelity, and with the fans care. The computer is a formidable component, but don't get too confident. You never play the same way again. Ah, look at this one, Smurf. Let's see here. This education cartridge with Smurf character bring basic learning concept to the screen and encourage you to solve problem and situation. They design the ethic and make learning fun. Is this another one? Let's see what it is. Smurf, okay. Another one here, Smurf. You control the action of the Smurf who must save Smurfette from Gayama. He must avoid obstacles and dangerous animals and maintain the strength by snacking on how to get berry. Okay, Mr. Turtle, you see him here. Come to life on screen, but need your help. So on this treasure hunt, his goal is to collect the prize that are located on both on land and underwater. But each prize guarded by animals and fierce company is the turtle must outwit the creature to obtain each treasure and score points. So we reach the end here, what the game is. And this is Coleco expansion module expansion. Okay? So here it is. You insert your cartridge. There are also input here. It say expansion module 1. With expansion module 1, enjoy the entire library of existing and future game cartridges that are compatible with Atari Video Computer System, as well as the game cartridge made by Activision. Just slide the expansion module into the interface in front of ColecoVision console. Insert the game cartridge of your choice. Okay. So this expansion module allows you to play games from Atari and Activision. Oh, look at this! There's an expansion module number 2, which is did I show you the picture of that one? Yeah, this is expansion module number 1. Here, expansion module number 2. This is driving wheel. We have a controller. There's also like a pedal here. And what is it? Say expansion module number 2 turn ColecoVision into a cockpit of a high performance race car. This module comes with a tabletop console, include a large arcade style steering wheel, accelerator, foot pedal that operates from the floor. The regular ColecoVision controller mount the driving module console from the gear shift. The accelerator pedal is stuffed within the console when it's not used. Included this module is a turbo game cartridge. Page 16 for description, right? So basically, so this is the last page here. It's 30 page. So come with the turbo. Come with turbo. For this expansion module number 2. So let's picture all this. Alrighty. So this is I guess when you buy the ColecoVision event and you get this and you let you know that order again you can buy. So thank you for watching. And please click a like if you like this video, and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you next video. Bye.